4B. When it is 7 a.m. in New York, it is 12 noon in London. A plane leaves London at 12 noon London time and arrives in New York at 11 a.m. New York time the same day. A second plane leaves New York at 12 noon New York time for London. What time in London is it when the second plane arrives? Assume both planes fly for the same number of hours. So we're going to start by first drawing a diagram. We know that when it is 7 a.m. in New York, it is 12 noon, same thing, in London. And a plane leaves London at this time, which is also the same as 7 a.m. New York time, and arrives in 11 a.m. New York time the same day. So basically, the plane flew for this amount of hours. And we can see that from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., it took 4 hours. And after 4 hours in London time, we know that it's going to be 4 p.m. So now a second plane leaves New York at 12 noon New York time. So 1 hour after the first plane arrives. And we know that when that second plane leaves in London time instead of New York time, it's also 1 hour later, which is 5 p.m. And we know that both planes fly for the same number of hours. So after 4 hours in London, it's going to be 9 p.m. And that is the question. What time in London is it when the second plane arrives? Our answer is 9 p.m.